Grapefruit has had a complicated reputation in nutrition for decades. It starred in crash diets with dubious credibility, got dismissed as a fad, and then quietly re-emerged in more serious research as something genuinely interesting. Today, the evidence suggests grapefruit does have real advantages over oranges for certain metabolic goals, but it also carries risks that the wellness industry tends to dramatically underemphasize, and those risks can be serious. On the vitamin C front, grapefruit edges ahead of oranges modestly, roughly 80 milligrams per fruit versus 70 milligrams. That's not a dramatic difference, but it's not nothing. Where grapefruit becomes more interesting nutritionally is in its content of naringenin, a flavonoid that has shown some capacity in research to improve insulin sensitivity and influence how the body processes fat. Some human studies have linked grapefruit consumption before meals to modest reductions in body weight and improvements in metabolic markers. The effect isn't large and it's not universal, but it's real enough to take seriously. The problem, and this is a significant problem, is that grapefruit interacts with more than 85 different medications. The compounds responsible, primarily furanocoumarins, inhibit an enzyme called CYP3A4 in the small intestine. CYP3A4 is responsible for metabolizing a wide range of drugs, including statins, calcium channel blockers, certain antihistamines, immunosuppressants, and some psychiatric medications. When grapefruit inhibits this enzyme, drug concentrations in the bloodstream can rise to dangerous levels. This isn't a theoretical concern. There are documented cases of serious adverse events, including muscle breakdown from statin overdose and dangerous drops in blood pressure, linked to grapefruit consumption in people on these medications. Critically, the effect lasts up to 24 hours, meaning even a single serving of grapefruit can affect drug metabolism well into the following day. This is the part of the grapefruit conversation that deserves genuine alarm. Anyone on prescription medication should verify the safety of grapefruit consumption with their physician or pharmacist before making it a regular part of their diet. The interaction databases are publicly accessible, but the most reliable guidance is a direct conversation with a healthcare provider who knows your specific medication profile. Substituting tangerines or navel oranges eliminates this risk while providing comparable vitamin C. For those who are medically cleared to consume grapefruit, and many people are, because not everyone is on interacting medications, there are real benefits available. Eating half a grapefruit before breakfast, particularly alongside a protein-containing meal, represents a reasonable strategy for supporting satiety and metabolic function. The bitterness, which many people dislike, comes from naringenin, the same compound that makes it metabolically interesting. Avoiding sugar to mask that bitterness preserves the nutritional value and keeps caloric load low. The bottom line on grapefruit is this: it's nutritionally superior to oranges for weight management purposes, but it demands a level of pharmaceutical awareness that orange juice simply doesn't. Eat it with full information, not just enthusiasm.